Second problem, second bit. Rahim travels 600 km to his home, partly by train and partly by car. He takes 8 hours. If he travels 120 km by train and rest by car, he takes 20 minutes more. If he travels 200 km by train and rest by car, find the speed of the train and the speed of the car. So let us start the solution. So first, there are two objects, one is a train and the other is car, and the speed of the train and car we don't know, we have to find. And the other thing is the total distance he is traveling is 600 km. This 600 km, from this 600 km, if he is traveling 120 km by train and rest by car, it is taking 8 hours to reach his home. Next, he will get 20 minutes more to reach his house if he is traveling 200 km by train and rest by car. So we need to find the speed of the train and the car. So we don't know the speed. So let the speed of the train be x km per hour and the speed of the car be y km per hour. Next, according to the problem, they have given that it is 600 km. So 120 km by train. So what is the rest? So we have to find that 600 km minus 120. So 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 2 is 8, 6, 5 minus 1 is 4. So 480 km by train. So by problem, we can write speed is equals to distance by time. We know the formula, speed is equals to distance by time. So when we send this time to this side, so t is equals to distance by speed. So time is equals to distance by speed. This problem also is totally dependent on time, like 8 hours. So we are going to write 8. Next, distance. So distance by train is 120 km and the speed of the train is x plus. So what is the distance by car? 480. So 480 kilometers by y. This is our first equation. Next, and they have given the second condition, that is 20 minutes more. 20 minutes more means 8 plus 20 by 60. So it is 8 hours. So we have to convert these minutes into hours. So to convert minutes into hours, we are going to divide with 60. So 20 by 60. So it is also totally time dependent. That's why we will write first hours, then we will go for 200 km by train. So 200 km by train. Train is x plus remaining. If we are having 600, so 600 minus 200 is 400. So 400 by y. Next we can cancel here. 20 ones are 23s are. So 200 by x plus 400 by y is equals to 8 plus 1 by 3. 3 8s are 24. So 200 by x plus 400 by y is equals to 24 plus 1, 25 by 3. Next, we can take 25 common from LHS. So we get 25 common. So 25 in 25 table, when do we get 200? So 25 8s are. So 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So with 8. So 8 by x plus. So when do we get 400? 25 16s up. So y is equals to 25 ones are by 3. Now we can cancel 25. So 8 by x plus 16 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Next we will multiply this 3 with both the numerators. 3 8s are 24 by x plus 3 16s are 48, y by y is equals to 1. Next we are going to take this 1 by x as a. So we can write, let 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. So the first equation will become 120a plus 480b is equals to 8. So this is our first equation. Now we can write 24, 1 by x is a plus 48b is equals to 1. So this is our second equation. But let us see here, anything is common? No. 480 like this. So to make something equal, we have to multiply with some number to the second equation. So here we can multiply the second equation with, we are having 48 and here it is 480. So we can multiply this with 10. So 10 into this equation will give us 10 24s are 240a plus 10 48s are 480b, 10 1s are 10. So this is our second equation. Let us solve this. Now let us solve first and second equation. So we get 120a plus 480b is equals to 8 and 240a plus 480b is equals to 10. Now change the signs, minus, 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 480b cancel. So if we subtract this, we get minus 120a is equals to 8 minus 10 is minus 2, minus minus cancel. 120 goes down, a is equals to 20 by 120, 2 ones are 2 60s are, a is equals to 1 by 60. To get the value of b, let us substitute. Put a is equals to 1 by 60 in first equation. So we get 120 into 1 by 60 plus 480 b is equals to 8. So 0 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6 2s are. So 2 1s are 2 plus 480 b is equals to 8. So 2 goes there. So 480 b is equals to 8 minus 2. So 480 b is equals to 6. 480 comes down, b is equals to 6 by 480. 6 1s are 6 8s are. So b is equals to 1 by 80. But we know that what is a? But 1 by x is equals to a. So 1 by x is equals to 1 by 60. So therefore we will write the reciprocal of 1 by x, that is x is equals to 60. Reciprocal of 1 by 60 is 60 kilometer per hour. Next, 1 by, we know that 1 by y is equals to 1 by y is equals to b. So 1 by y is equals to, what is b? 1 by 80. So y is equals to 80 kilometer. If we write the reciprocal of this, kilometer per hour. Next, therefore, the speed of the train is equals to 60 kilometer per hour and speed of the car is equals to 80 kilometer per hour.
If you like the video, please subscribe and share.